Jai Jawan, Captain Chandranarayanan Singh, who was awarded Mahavir Chakra for his gallant act of bravery and unparalleled courage. Captain Chandranarayanan Singh was a second generation soldier in uniform. His father, Honorary Captain Balwant Singh, a Himachali Dogra, served with the 4th Battalion of the Dogra Regiment during Second World War and was decorated during the Battle for Magway in Burma campaign. For Himachali Dogras, soldiering is not just another profession but a calling. Chandranarayanan, a Himachali Dogra, was born on July 2, 1939 at Dharmasala. After obtaining Faculty of Arts degree, present-day equivalent to senior secondary, Chandra, with a firm resolve to follow into his father's footsteps, applied for the Indian Military Academy and was selected in the very first attempt. After 2 years of training at the Indian Military Academy, on June 11, 1961, Chandranarayanan was commissioned into the 2nd Battalion of the Gaval Rifles Infantry Regiment, the same battalion that gave to the British Indian Army two bravest of the braves who went on to win the Victoria Cross during First World War, Davan Singh Negi and Gabbar Singh Negi, both from the 39th Gaval Rifles. Chandranarayanan, affectionately known in his battalion simply as CN, based on his above-average profile, very early in his service was posted as a staff officer in an infantry brigade guarding sensitive areas along the ceasefire line between Poonch and Menda in Jammu region. It is there that he proved that nobody beats the Himachali Valor. Poonch Sector, 5th August 1965. During August 1965, Captain Chandranarayanan Singh's unit was deployed in the Poonch sector in Jammu and Kashmir and was engaged in an intense fight with the enemy forces to capture and hold onto the strategically important ground features. On 5th August 1965, his unit got information that some Pakistani soldiers had infiltrated in the Poonch area and were seen around the location of the brigade headquarters. On getting his orders, Captain Chandar dispatched his patrol team immediately in the evening at 6:30 p.m. to carry out a search operation. Around at 7:30 p.m., an encounter with the Pakistani infiltrators commenced, wherein Pakistani started firing using the heavy and light machine guns, mortars, and grenades from a higher position. However, Captain Chandar ordered his patrol team to take their position and fire back at the enemies. He instructed his soldiers to keep firing and keep the enemy pinned down while he himself crawled towards one of the flanks to engage the enemy perched at the advantageous position. In this process, Captain Chandar silenced one of the machine guns firing from the hilltop, but the onslaught of the fire continued on them. In order to neutralize the threat, he prepared a plan to launch an attack in the night, as the enemy position was too strong to conquer during the daytime. At the opportune moment in the night, Captain Chandar led a daring charge with a handful men within 50 yards of the enemy position. In one rush, they progressed halfway up and then passed to reorganize. While half of his patrol team was engaged in cover fire, he led the other half to flank attack on the enemy position, which was successful. During the operation, a fierce fight took place wherein 6 enemy soldiers were killed and many more were wounded, and the enemy left behind considerable quantities of arms, ammunition, and equipment. However, Captain Chandranarayanan Singh was hit by a light machine gun burst and was martyred. During this operation, Captain Chandranarayanan Singh displayed conspicuous bravery, leadership, and courage in the highest traditions of the Indian Army before laying down his life. For his gallant act of bravery and unparalleled courage, Captain Chandranarayanan Singh was posthumously awarded India's second highest gallantry award, Mahavir Chakra. A road in his native place, Ramnagar, Dharmashala, has been named after him as Chandarmar. Captain Chandranarayanan Singh's memorial has been installed at his native place in Dharmashala. Jai Hind.